In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change buckets in Microsoft Planner. If you use Microsoft Planner to organize projects, tasks, or team workflows, buckets are a simple way to group related work together. They can represent stages, departments, priorities, or any structure that makes sense for your plan. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to adjust bucket placement and how to move a task into a different bucket so your board stays organized and easy to manage. First, on your planner board, you can drag and drop a bucket to rearrange it. This is useful when you want to change the order of your workflow without editing the bucket names themselves. For example, if you want one section to appear earlier on the board, just click and hold the bucket, then drag it to the position you want. Once you release it, the bucket will stay in that new location. This is a quick visual way to keep your plan aligned with the order your team actually works in. Next, click on the task you want to update. This opens the task details where you can make changes to how that task is categorized. If you have a large board with several buckets, opening the task directly helps you make a more precise change rather than moving things around visually and risking a mistake. Inside the task details, click on the bucket field to choose where the task should go. This lets you assign the task to a different bucket within the same plan. After you select the new bucket, the task will be moved there, helping you reflect its current stage or responsibility. This is especially helpful when a task progresses from one phase to another, such as moving from planning to in progress or from review to completed. When using buckets, it helps to keep their names clear and consistent, so it's always obvious where a task belongs. That makes moving tasks much faster and reduces confusion for everyone viewing the board. Also, if you reorder buckets and reassign tasks regularly, your planner board becomes much easier to scan at a glance. That's all it takes to change buckets in Microsoft Planner. Rearranging the buckets themselves helps improve the layout of your board, and updating the bucket on a task ensures each item stays in the right place as work changes over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.